Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable notifications from people you mentioned on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. If you're tired of being pinged whenever someone you've mentioned in a post or comment interacts, this walkthrough will help you quiet those alerts without losing the connection to your network. First, open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so the steps flow smoothly. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This opens a small menu with quick access to several settings options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. A drop-down expands and you'll see another option simply labeled Settings. Click on that to go deeper into your account controls. You're aiming to reach the notification section, so keep scrolling or using the left-hand menu to locate notifications and click it. Inside notifications, you'll see a variety of categories that control what kinds of alerts you receive. You're looking for the section labeled Tags. In this area, you'll find different toggles related to who can notify you or what types of mentions trigger alerts. Find the option that says people you mentioned before and switch it off or disable it. After you've turned off notifications from people you mentioned, it's a good idea to review other related settings. You might want to silence similar alerts for mentions from groups or pages if those are also contributing to notification noise. If you ever want to re-enable these alerts, you can simply return to the same Settings Notifications Tags area and toggle the option back on. Pro tip: if you use Facebook on multiple devices, consider applying the same preference on your mobile app to keep consistency across all platforms. This helps ensure you won't miss important updates from people you care about while avoiding the constant ping from others. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share it with friends who might want calmer notification settings. Want more quick Facebook tips like this? Let me know in the comments which feature you'd like to tune next.